tahun sulungnya pada tahun ini 2011. Bagi pihak kementerian, saya merakamkan setinggi-tinggi penghargaan di atas
kita nak beri tempat pada wanita on merit. Kalau wanita tak ada merit, wanita themselves do not want those positions. Betul tidak? So, there's no issue. Yang perlu kita lakukan, empower the women. Give them opportunity. Open the doors for them. Be careful, once you open the door, wanita will grab everything. But never mind. After all, wanita, they are our partners in our journey to transform this.
Kechara Soup Kitchen is run by a group of very capable committee and also team leaders who are constantly being given training in counseling the homeless and also to serve the urban poor. Well, through a lot of hard work, determination and perseverance, and also with a lot of support and the endorsement from our Ministry of Women, Family and Community Development, I've been able to enroll several financial institutions, restaurants, hotels, corporations, and also my own company to adopt Kechara Soup Kitchen into their corporate social responsibility program.